we are covering the step-by-step process for completing a notarial certificate, a critical skill for the Arizona Notary Public Exam. First is the venue, which consists of the words State of Arizona and County of. The county you enter must be the county where the notarization is physically taking place. An exam question will try to trick you with this. If a client from Maricopa County meets you in your office in Pima County, the correct venue is Pima County, not Maricopa. Next, you must enter the date the notarization occurs. This must be the actual current date the signer personally appeared before you. The exam will test your understanding of this rule by presenting a scenario where a signer asks you to backdate the certificate. Doing so is a prohibited act, and the correct answer is always to refuse. The signer's name must be written on the certificate exactly as it appears on the document they are signing. The exam often tests this with subtle variations, so pay close attention to middle initials and suffixes. You, the notary, must sign the certificate with the exact name that appears on your commission. No nicknames or shortcuts are permitted. If your commission is for Catherine Smith, you cannot sign as Kathy Smith. Your official notary seal must then be affixed. In Arizona, this is a rubber stamp, not an embosser, and it must be applied in a dark ink like black or dark blue. The impression must be clear, legible, and should not cover any text or signatures on the document. Exam questions might show a smudged or improperly placed seal and ask if the notarization is valid. It is not. According to Arizona law, your seal must include the words Notary Public, your commission name, the county you are commissioned in, your commission expiration date, and the Great Seal of the State of Arizona. Your commission expiration date is a vital part of the certificate. While Arizona law requires this date to be part of the seal itself, if the impression is unclear, you must write it in. Finally, if you make an error while completing the certificate, never use correction fluid. The proper procedure, which you can expect to be tested on, is to draw a single line through the error, write the correct information, and then initial and date the correction. To remember these critical steps under exam pressure, use this mnemonic, VDNSSE, for Very Diligent Notaries Sign, Seal, and Expire. This covers venue, date, name of signer, signature of notary, seal, and expiration date. Mastering these details is essential for passing the Arizona Notary exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.